Hello YouTube friends. Welcome back. Today we will enjoy the top 5 family-friendly rides at Disney California Adventure in Anaheim, California. Disney is known for its many family-friendly rides and attractions. California Adventure has adopted several rides and theme areas that incorporate many of the more recent Disney acquisitions, like Marvel and Pixar. Pixar Pier area is where you will find several rides based on the popular Pixar films like The Incredibles and Toy Story. But before enjoy those rides, let's first visit rides showcasing more traditional Disney characters, and the talents of Disney Imagineering. Coming in at number 5 is Soarin' Around the World. This flight simulator ride and similar named versions operate at 5 major Disney parks around the world. The original version called Soarin' over California opened on February 8, 2001. The ride employs a mechanical lift system, a projected presentation on an 80-foot, 24-meter, concave 180-degree dome screen, artificial sense and wind, to simulate a hang gliding flight. The presentation flies you over several locations across 6 continents around the world. Each ride vehicle consists of 3 rows of seats under a wing-like canopy, and has a capacity of 87 guests at a time. While waiting in line, guests pass the Wings of Fame, a tribute to significant aircraft in the history of aviation in California. Please watch and enjoy the ride. At number 4, we enter Pixar Pier in the world of Inside Out. The Inside Out Emotional Whirlwind is a colorful rotation ride, in which baskets rise and fall while pleasant music plays. There are 8 baskets that seat 4 each. The baskets rest below colorful orbs which represented various memories, a theme taken from the movie. Going back to more traditional Disney fare, the number 3 ride is based on the 1935 short film, The Band Concert. Silly Symphony Swings is an exciting wave swinger attraction. Mickey Mouse is the conductor perched high atop the attraction. The ride is synchronized with the music. Closely following the plot of the short film, the main column of the ride rises, revealing a tornado which spins the riders to the tune of the William Tell Overture and William Tell Storm. The attraction soft opened on May 28, 2010, and had its official grand opening on June 11, 2010. The number 2 family-friendly ride is Goofy's Sky School. Goofy's Sky School is a steel Wild Mouse roller coaster. It was manufactured by Mack Rides. The ride is based on Disney's 1940 short film, Goofy's Glider. The re-themed attraction opened on July 1, 2011. Riders board a plane and navigate a crash course of flying which features sharp turns, steep drops and sudden stops. Goofy is pictured on billboards throughout the ride teaching guests the step-by-step process of flying a plane. Please enjoy this full ride.
Now, please stay in your seat till you're given the okay. Then lift up.
Leaving the Pixar Pier area, you will need to make your way past Hollywood Land to get to our number 1 family-friendly attraction. Finally, the number 1 family-friendly ride at Disney California Adventure is the Radiator Springs Racers. It is a simulated slot car type dark ride attraction in Cars Land. This ride is based on a very popular Pixar movie, Cars. The attraction features a third-generation version of transport technology originally developed for the test track attraction at Epcot in Walt Disney World. Radiator Springs Racers is themed to the fictional world in Disney Pixar's Cars movie. The ride officially opened to the public on June 15, 2012, with wait times of up to 6 hours. At a cost of over $200 million, the attraction is the most expensive at Disneyland Resort, and one of the most expensive theme park attractions in the world. The attraction takes guests in a 6-person vehicle through encounters with characters from the film series Cars. Guests then race another vehicle through turns and hills, ending with a randomized race result. Please enjoy the Radiator Springs Racers. Which attraction is your favorite? Please comment below. Please like and subscribe with a click to the thumbs up below. See you next week with more West Coast amusement park rides. Cheers!